No saving at 30? Here is how to turn it around. Assess your finances, take stock of your income, expenses, debts, and assets. Understanding your financial situation is crucial for making a plan. Set clear goals, determine what you're saving for, whether it's retirement, a home, education, or emergencies. Having specific goals helps you stay motivated and focused. Create a budget. Establish a budget to track your income and expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back on spending to allocate more towards savings. Start an emergency fund. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an emergency fund. This fund provides a financial safety net in case of unexpected events like job loss or medical emergencies. Contribute to retirement accounts. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans like 401ks, especially if your employer offers matching contributions. If not, consider opening an individual retirement account, IRA, and contribute regularly. Pay off high-interest debt. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt like credit cards, which can eat into your savings. Once high-interest debt is under control, you can redirect those payments towards savings. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or retirement accounts. Automating savings makes it easier to stick to your savings goals. Invest wisely. Consider investing in assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate to grow your wealth over time. Research investment options and consider seeking advice from a financial advisor. Educate yourself. Take the time to learn about personal finance and investing. There are plenty of resources available, from books and online courses to financial websites and podcasts. Stay disciplined and patient. Building wealth takes time and requires discipline. Stay committed to your savings and investment plan, and be patient as you work towards your financial goals. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.